Lately, I made a video tutorial on how to create an AI animation video using Canva AI and Grok. Many of us are asking how to make this kind of AI animation video without a watermark, and most importantly, you can make it for free. So if you want to know how I did it, the link of the video tutorial is in the description box. Or click this above so you will be directed straight to that video tutorial. In this video, I will teach you basic editing in CapCut using the videos we got from Grok. So, if you are a beginner, this video tutorial is perfect for you. But before we start, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Stay and gain knowledge. First, just open your CapCut. Then, here on the left side, you will see media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, and so on. To insert an image or video, just click Media. Then click this Import and choose the videos we got from Grok. After that, just hold and drag your first clip or scene to our editing panel or editing section. Then, if you want, we can already place all the scenes so that later it will be easier to cut our scenes. If your scene is long, on your keyboard hold Ctrl+ roll your mouse so you can see more clearly the scenes you are placing. After you place all the scenes in your editing panel, we will now add our text. Just click this text at the top, then drag the default text again. Here, just copy the scene we got from ChatGPT. Then on the right side, just paste our scene 1 here. Next, again here on the right side, click text to speech. When you click this, you will have many voiceover options. Just make sure it matches the AI animation video you are making, like this Callum voiceover. So this is the voiceover I will choose because it matches the story or video I got from the AI Grok website. Then, after choosing, at the bottom just click Generate Speech. So next, we go to Scene 2. Just highlight Scene 2 and copy it. Then click Text again and paste Scene to here. Text to Speech again, and choose your consistent voiceover. Then click Generate Speech again. Same process. Whatever you did in Scene 1 and Scene 2, do the same for the other scenes. So here, I'm just teaching you the basic tools of CapCut because even with this method, you can already create trending AI animation videos. Always make sure your text is easy to read. Choose simple fonts and avoid too many effects so the viewer can focus on the story. Adjust the text timing. Make sure the text appears exactly when the voiceover says it. This makes your video feel smoother and more sensed. You can also add a slight animation to your text, like fade in or pop up. Just keep it simple so it doesn't distract from the video. For the voiceover, always check the audio levels. Make sure the voice is louder than the background music so everything is clear. If the voiceover sounds too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed in CapCut. Match it with the pacing of the video for a more natural flow. Another helpful tip is to organize your clips properly on the timeline. Always place your main scenes on the first track and your additional clips or overlays on the tracks above. This keeps your project clean and easy to follow. Next, since we are done inputting the text and adding our voiceover, the next thing we will do is match our scene or video to our voiceover so that the flow of our AI animation video will look good. For example, in this part our video is not enough for our voiceover, so I will teach you how to insert a video. If it's the same scene, just copy and paste it, then drag it to the middle. See, it's very basic. Or if you have another scene that matches your voiceover, just upload it, then hold and drag it down as well. Then, once it is aligned, just drag your voiceover so the speaking or storytelling of your AI animation video continues smoothly. Just click Media at the top, then import a scene or video so that your video matches the voiceover. Then drag our voiceover again And that's what you will keep doing whenever your scene or voiceover is too short or too long. If your clip feels too long, don't hesitate to trim it. Shorter scenes keep the audience engaged and make your AI animation feel more dynamic. You can also adjust the clip speed. Slowing down certain scenes can create emphasis, while speeding up less important parts helps keep the pacing smooth. Also, remember to lock your audio track once you're done adjusting it. This prevents accidental changes when you're editing other parts. When cutting your video, always zoom in on the timeline. This helps you make more accurate cuts and see exactly where your scene begins and ends. Use the split tool at the exact moment the scene changes or when the voiceover shifts to a new line. So here we need to cut the scene. To cut the videos, just click split so we can move it to another place. Don't be afraid to remove unnecessary parts. If a clip doesn't add anything to the story, or if it's too long, just trim it. Shorter clips make the video more engaging.
In the heart of an ancient forest, a lone traveler walks quietly beneath the morning light. She doesn't know why, but something in this place feels alive, as if it's calling her. As she steps deeper into the forest, a white magical fox appears, watching her with gentle, glowing eyes. It wasn't afraid, almost like it had been waiting for her. The traveler kneels, reaching out her hand. The fox moves closer, and the moment they touch, a warm light surrounds them. A silent connection forms stronger than words. Then, the forest responds. Trees begin to glow, and light spread across the land. It's as if the whole forest is awakening because of their bond. With the path illuminated, the traveler and the magical fox walk forward together.
And there you go. Very easy, right? No hassle in creating this kind of AI animation video. And if you want more tutorials like this, click my next video.